Hi everyone, this is Alex from Flussonic. In this video, I will show how easy it is to integrate our SDK in your mobile application. I'll spend a couple of minutes and get a fully functional video player in my project. In this tutorial example, I will use React Native Application. Our SDK is also available for developing native iOS and Android applications. Okay, let's start. The first thing I need to do is initialize my new React Native application. For that, I need to type a simple command in my terminal. My application is initialized, and I can go to the created folder. It's done. On the next step, I need to add SDK dependencies to my project. For that, I need to add a Flussonic Watcher SDK repository in my package manager. On the next step, we are going to update my application dependencies. I use a common React Native command to do it. It's not difficult. Now I am done with all the prerequisites, and now I will code my player with a camera. I will use a Microsoft Code IDE to do it. Here, I am changing the project's config file and adding a Flussonic Watcher SDK repository in it. In the last step, I need to add SDK Component with the player in my application. I've chosen Flussonic Watcher View component from SDK documentation to add to my application. This component consists of a video player for the camera and common controls for it, like a calendar, record buttons, timeline, and some others. Before I use this component, I need to configure some constants for it. The constants are the service address, user session, and stream name. I know my server address, and I have API for it to get other information. Using the API, I can get session ID and stream name. We're almost finished. Config is ready, and now I am adding Flussonic Watcher View on my screen. My application is ready for the first run. Let's launch it. As you see, I have spent 4 minutes to make my own mobile application, which can work with Flussonic Watcher Server and control live view and archive from a camera. Thanks for your attention. See you next time.